Hi YouTube, my name's Martha. Yep, and this is the first time I'm making a video. It's kind of weird talking to myself. Never done this before. So, a little help from you knowing that you're watching me, hopefully watching me, and I'll be able to make more vlogs about myself. So, yeah. Please comment below on what you want to see about me, because I really don't know where to begin. I am an interior designer by profession. I cook. What else? I'm a mom of 2 kids. One is turning 10, the other one's 3 and a few months old. I'm a wife to a wonderful husband. So, yeah. I know it's something short. It's more like an introduction. So, I don't know, maybe I should put some makeup on, something like that. Let me know, please. And what you'd like to see. Maybe it's my work that you want to see. Maybe you want to see me cooking, some recipes. I can do that too. So if it's about my personal life, then let me know.
His name is Ronnie. And then there's 2 rules.